Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, Michael Feyrer Jr. invited me to view the sights of Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. Today, we see some incredible architecture, sculptures, beautiful cherry blossoms, and so much more. Come join us to see what we can see.
Today, we're with Michael Feyrer Jr.
Hello.
Yes. And we are at the Bethlehem Library campus. There is awesome stuff here. You're going to see all kinds of trees. I mean, beautiful stuff. Architecture. What would you say?
Some pretty awesome views. A little bit of landscape type shots. And
Oh, yes. Yes.
There's a lot here to see.
A lot of art. Oh, yeah. Beautiful stuff. So stay tuned.
The Bethlehem Public Library was dedicated on November 28, 1967, and the grounds are absolutely phenomenal. Just look at this architecture.
What? The lawnmower in the background, just a bonus.
This is such a beautiful area. Every place you look, nothing but beauty. Well, except for back there. Danger, keep off. I wonder what they mean by that. Oh.
There is just so much to see in the Bethlehem area. Down
Thank you for coming along with us to another exciting episode with Michael Feyrer Jr. behind me. And as always, have a great day. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell while you're at it.
Do it.